Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to convert SBI Savings Account to salary account online. So first, we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to search in for SBI online. Then we're going to click on the link there. So as you can see, this is their official website. So we're going to have to log in. As you can see, we can also use the Yono app on the right side. Then again, we're going to click on continue to log in. Then as you can see here, you're going to have to insert your username and password. Then next, this is the page that's going to present. Then we're going to click on e-services. So next, we're going to click on transfer saving accounts. Then we're going to choose our salary account number, our employer's organization name or code, then our proof of employment. Then we're all set to go. So next, we're going to click on their product and services. Then as you can see, this is their product and services. You can see and use all the products they have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.